Welcome to Buy Spares. In this video we'll be showing you how to set the clock on an electric oven. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. After an interruption to the electricity supply, when you use the oven for the first time and find it doesn't work, the display may flash at regular intervals or show either a hand or a clock symbol to indicate it needs to be reset. With the power on and the clock flashing, we can see there is no interior light working. Also, we can see the indicator light is not coming on when we turn on the thermostat and there is no heat in the oven. We can see 3 buttons. The first button is to reduce the time. The third button will increase the time, and the middle to adjust the function of the clock. Press it once to move to the minute minder, push again for the cooking time, and press once more for the time. Set the time and push the middle button to finish setting the clock. We can now see the oven working. For all the spares you need, visit the Buy Spares website.